this. I can guarantee you these are already going to be, yep, not too bad. It'll change after it sits. So we'll see what happens. So, temp sensor. Oh, come on. It doesn't feel right one more. Oh, hold on. Got a pin there being a problem. Go. I'll lock up. Then our EPC. Obviously this is going to sit so I can retorque later when I put our speed sensor in it. Clean that bad boy off. Got our trans range. I want to make sure we got neutral to line up. There we go. So when you put it in neutral, there's a line here. I can show you, but I think, well, other than core line fittings and a linkage, so we need to be getting out of here pretty soon. So we'll have to put our O-rings in the, cooler fittings, and we'll have to put the Teflon sealer on it, but we're going to let this sit. We'll cover it up. We'll come back and double check it once, maybe twice. This felt so weird plugging up. Yeah, she's good now. One of the prongs was just out of kilter. So we're going to stop that right there, and we're going to wrap it up here in another day or so.